Good afternoon, my dear students. Today I am going to explain subject verb agreement. This chapter is very much important. So let's understand what subject verb agreement is actually. Now see, according to subject, selection of verb is known as subject verb agreement. The another name of subject verb agreement is syntax. Okay. Means if the subject is singular, the verb will be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb will be plural. So what is the verb? Verb is an acting words like read, write, play, dance, sing. These are verbs and they are always in plural form. And when we add s in verb, it becomes singular. Like she plays football. So here plays is singular subject, singular verb, and she is singular subject. Like they play football. So they is plural subject and play is plural verb. So this is unique, okay, that all the verbs of the world is plural in their form and we make them singular adding s. The second important fact is that all the nouns of the world is singular in their nature. We add s and es in order to make them plural, like book, singular, books, plural, man, plural, singular, men, plural, vehicle, singular, vehicles, plural. So these are noun. Okay, like bus, buses. So all the nouns are all the nouns are singular in form and they are made plural after adding s or es, and all the verbs are plural and we make them singular adding s. So this is the definition. According to subject, the selection of verb is known as subject verb agreement or syntax. Example I have given you, the price of the apples was very high. So here the price is singular subject and was is singular. That's why it's correct. The price of the apples were very high. So your subject is the price and the verb is were. So it is the wrong answer because the price is singular subject, because the apples is not the subject. So okay, so that's why the verb will not agree with the apples, because verb agrees with subject. That's why wrong. I have tried to explain it here. Same things I have tried to explain also here. The girl is playing. The girl singular is singular. The girls are. The girls plural are plural. He likes sweets. They likes. They like sweets. He singular likes singular. They plural like plural. You will read this. Okay, I will send it in the file. Now the rules. First person. The rules regarding are as follow. The first person singular or plural takes a singular verb. Like I like this scenery. I is singular, but take it plural verb. We like and we is also plural and take plural verb. Now the second person singular or plural takes singular verb, like you like this scenery, and third person singular takes a singular verb. Now in case of first person and second person, I and you, I, you and we. I, we, first person, second person, you. They are always, singular, but they take, plural verb. We is plural and always take, plural verb. So this is the exception. I and you being singular, they take plural verb. But now the rules start from here, third person. All these singular subjects will take, singular verb. Like, see, third person, he likes this scenery. So he singular likes singular. Third person they is plural. So like is also plural. Now the rule number third, uncountable noun. When we use an uncountable noun as the subject of a verb, you use a singular verb of the verb. Like honesty. Uncountable noun, the verb will be singular. Honesty is. Fear is singular. Okay, uncountable. Begins is the singular verb. Rule number 4. Singular and plural nouns. When we use a singular noun as the subject of a verb, we use a singular verb. Plural nouns take a plural verb. Like see, the moon was shining in the sky. The moon, singular, was singular. The sun is about to set. The sun, singular, is singular. The children, what is that? The children is plural. So, were is plural. The farmers is plural. Were is also plural. Now see rule number 5. One of plus plural noun. When the subject consists of one of plural nouns, the verb is singular. One of the girls. One of the girls. One of the and plurals followed by singular verb. One of the girls was. Here one is singular and that's why was is plural. But after one of, noun is always plural, like girls. One of the girls. One of the students. One of the students. Students is plural. Okay. After one of, the noun will be plural, but the verb is singular because your subject is one. So that's why it is singular verb was. Long subject. When a clause or a long group of words is the subject, we have to be careful to make the verb agree with the subject. Now see, the chairs which I bought yesterday are very costly. The chairs. Plural subject, okay, plural verb are. The woman whom I met in the market was my friend's sister. The woman, singular, okay, and that's why was is also singular. So we'll have to very much little bit, conscious. Introductory there, this is very much important, okay. Introductory there, you please see example, tell you. There is no chair in the room. There is singular or plural, we can't decide, okay, because there, after there, the verb will agree with the noun that is coming after it. Like chair, because of chair, the verb is. If the same question is, there are no chairs in the room. So here chairs is there, chairs. So this is very unique in case of there. Chairs, plural subject, and that's, sorry, plural noun, and that's why it is, the verb is plural. There are no chairs. There are 50 boys. There, if suppose the question is, there, blank space, 50 boys in the class, the answer will be R. There, dash, a boy in the class, is the right answer. So after there, which verb will come, it will be decided by the nouns that is followed after there. Same explanation they have given also here. Two or more nouns. When two or more nouns function as subject, a plural verb is used. When two pronouns are, added with and, the verb will be plural. Like Ram and Syam are playing, Sita and Gita are dancing. Same example I have written here. Satish and his sister have gone to see a movie. My friend and his father are meeting. My friend and his father, plural subject, are plural verb. Satish and his sister, plural subject, have plural verb. Now see, next, distances, weight, etc. For distances, weight, height, or amount of money, we use singular verb even when the subject is plural. And in case of distance, weight, okay, and height, we always use, singular verb. Like 10,000 rupees is, 3 kilometers is, 500 feet, above, 500 feet above sea level is, okay. So height, distance, and weight, they are always singular. Plural names, the title of boy, even that we'll practice here. Suppose if we are traveling in that case, so 5 kilometers distance, 5-kilometer distance we have traveled, okay. So that we will do in practice, okay, and there I will give you explanation. Sometimes they are also used, okay, in plural form, like when it is a case of distribution, 5,000 rupees have been distributed. and 5,000 rupees is a small sum each. Okay, in case of distribution, in case of travel, in case of climbing, so even height, distance and weight are also used, okay, in a plural form, but it is in rare case. Plural names, the title of a book, the name of a house or a hotel in plural text, a singular verb. Like the Arabian Nights, name of the book, singular. The hotel Brewers, okay, it is the name of a hotel, so singular, the verb will be singular. Like Arms in the Man, name of the book. The Whispering Windows, name of the restaurant. Kamla Moti Hotel, so this is the name of the hotel, okay, so is. Nouns with singular meanings. Now see, plural nouns with singular meaning. See who are they? Nouns which are plural in form but singular in meaning usually take a singular verb. Mathematics, economics, measles, okay? The news, they contains, singular s a, and they appears to be plural but they always used in a form of singular. Singular nouns with plural verb. Some nouns which appears to be singular in form take a plural verb. Like the police have, it appears singular but take always have. The Indian cricket team won the match. So see, like India is playing. So since in some cases, okay, when it is a unit, so India is or India have won the match. So some rare cases are there, some exceptions are also there, okay. So that will do in the exercises. Today I have given you only for practice and introduction. Collective nouns like group, crowd, flock, regiment are generally followed by a singular verb. Means all the collective nouns take singular verb. Like a group of boys was, a crowd of people, rashes, a regiment of soldiers was. This is the singular. Class, nouns such as food, furniture, clothing take singular verb. Like this furniture is, his clothing consists, singular verb. Some nouns which appears to be plural in form when preceded by a pair of take a singular verb. For example, shoes, scissors, trousers, okay, they take always singular verb. Like a pair of scissors was, a pair of trousers was, a pair of shoes. Means whenever a pair is there, the verb will be always singular. But when the nouns are used with the pair, they take plural verb. Like his shoes have worn out, his scissors do not cut well. So these are the examples I have written here. Some nouns are preceded by a lot of, plenty of, a great deal of. This is now singular verb. Okay, like a lot of people visit singular. A plenty of water was, they always take singular. When a singular subject is joined by as well as, in addition to, except, etc. with another noun or pronoun, we use a singular one. Now see example. Sohan as well as his brother has come. My father in addition to our neighbor has come. So according to first subject we are doing, everyone except Satish was present. A singular verb is used with singular pronouns. Example, each, either, neither, anyone. Each of the boys was. Neither of the students was. Everybody has. So everybody, each, neither. After that the noun is plural but the verb is singular. When two or more subjects are connected by nor or, the verb is used according to the number of the noun nearest to it. Neither she nor her sisters. So according to her sisters, the verb will be agree. Her sisters visit. Visit is plural. Either they or he is singular. So is will be singular. So nearest subject, according to nearest subject will decide the verb will be singular or plural. Now see a collective noun such as jury, committee, family takes a singular verb when it is considered one unit, but when they are regarded as individual, they take a plural verb. Like the jury is about to give the jury are divided, just as in the case of height and weight and distance. Same case is there. When it was a case of dividation, we use the jury in plural form also. The committee have decided to raise the membership. Our family has decided. The family now live in London, so it is different. This rule is very much important. When some nouns are regarded as one unit, they take a singular verb, like bread and butter, one indicating one each. Brick and stone, they are two, but they are in a unit, and that's why they are regarded singular subject. Time and tide, weights, they are regarded in a singular. The novelist and poet, same person is there. That will that rule will I will explain later. Means two when when two persons are add with an article, so the verb will be singular. Like the novelist and poet is dead, or same case is there, the novelist and the poet, then the answer will be are. Why? Because the novelist and poet indicating one man, and the novelist and the poet indicating more than one. So you will do this, okay? Question answer I'm giving you, and more examples are there, more rules are there, simple rules are there. That I'm sending in the next class. Thank you very much. All the best. God bless you all.